Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to today's video. Have you ever stopped to think about spices' incredible power in promoting our health and well-being? From ancient times to today, spices have played a crucial role in traditional medicine and holistic health practices across cultures worldwide. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of spices, uncover the myriad health benefits they offer, and explore their role in natural remedies and holistic approaches to wellness. Spices have long been revered for their potent medicinal properties and have been used for centuries to treat various ailments. In traditional medicine systems such as Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and indigenous healing practices, spices are essential for maintaining balance and harmony within the body. Each spice is believed to possess unique healing properties that can target specific health issues and promote overall well-being. As our society becomes increasingly health-conscious, a noticeable shift has occurred towards natural remedies and alternative medicine. People seek holistic approaches to health that focus on treating the root cause of illness rather than just masking symptoms. This growing interest in natural healing modalities has sparked a renewed appreciation for spices' power and ability to support the body's innate healing mechanisms. Throughout this video, we will explore the science behind the health benefits of various spices and how they can be incorporated into our daily lives to promote optimal health. From boosting immunity and reducing inflammation to supporting digestion and enhancing mental clarity, spices offer a wealth of therapeutic effects that can help us thrive in mind, body, and spirit. So, get ready to embark on a journey of discovery as we unveil the incredible health benefits of spices, delve into the world of natural remedies, and explore the holistic approach to health and wellness. Join us as we unlock the secrets of the power of spice and learn how these ancient treasures can revolutionize your health and vitality. Stay tuned for an eye-opening exploration of the wonders of spice and the transformative impact they can have on your well-being. Delve into the various spices and their specific health benefits. Look at some of the most popular spices celebrated for their remarkable health benefits throughout history. Turmeric, known as the golden spice, is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation, support joint health, and even potentially protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Ginger, with its warm and spicy flavor, is a culinary delight and a potent medicinal herb. Gingerol, the bioactive compound in ginger, has been shown to have anti-nausea, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. This versatile spice can help soothe digestive issues, alleviate muscle pain, and even boost immunity by fighting off harmful pathogens. With its sweet and aromatic taste, cinnamon is another spice with impressive health benefits. Cinnamaldehyde, the main active component in cinnamon, has been linked to improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and enhanced brain function. Studies have shown that cinnamon may help lower blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The power of spices goes beyond just adding flavor to our dishes. They can also work wonders for our health and well-being. Incorporating these spices into our daily diet can harness their medicinal properties to boost immunity, aid digestion, and reduce inflammation. Spices offer a simple yet effective way to enhance our overall health, whether sprinkled on top of a smoothie, brewed into tea, or used in cooking. Scientific research has increasingly supported the health benefits of incorporating spices into our daily routine. Studies have shown that regular consumption of turmeric can help reduce inflammation markers in the body. At the same time, ginger has been found to improve digestion and alleviate symptoms of nausea and indigestion. Conversely, cinnamon has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity in individuals with diabetes. As we continue to uncover the wealth of health benefits spices offer, it becomes clear that these ancient treasures are valuable in modern wellness practices. By embracing the power of spices and incorporating them into our daily diet, we can tap into their healing potential and experience a profound transformation in our health and vitality. So, let's spice up our lives and reap the incredible benefits these aromatic wonders offer. Highlight natural remedies using spices for everyday health issues. When addressing common health issues, nature has provided us with a treasure trove of remedies in our spice racks. From headaches and indigestion to colds and flu, spices offer a natural and effective way to alleviate these everyday ailments without synthetic medications. Let's explore some simple yet powerful recipes and methods for using spices to promote healing and well-being. For headaches, a common ailment that can disrupt our daily lives, a simple remedy using peppermint and lavender essential oil can work wonders. Mix a few drops of each oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and gently massage the blend onto your temples and forehead. The cooling effect of peppermint and the calming properties of lavender can help ease tension and relieve headaches. Indigestion is another common issue many people face, especially after indulging in a heavy meal. A warm cup of ginger tea can be a soothing remedy to aid digestion and alleviate symptoms like bloating and discomfort. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for a few minutes, add a touch of honey for sweetness and sip slowly to enjoy the digestive benefits of this aromatic spice. When cold and flu season hits, having a natural remedy on hand can help boost your immune system and alleviate symptoms. A classic remedy is homemade turmeric golden milk, made with turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper simmered in milk or a dairy-free alternative. This warming and immune-boosting drink can help reduce inflammation, soothe a sore throat, and provide comfort during illness. It's important to remember that natural remedies should complement conventional medicine, especially for more severe health conditions. While spices can offer valuable therapeutic benefits, consulting with a healthcare provider before incorporating new remedies into your routine is essential, especially if you are taking medications or have underlying health concerns. Additionally, some spices may interact with certain medications or have contraindications for specific health conditions. For example, turmeric may interact with blood-thinning medications, while ginger may affect blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes. It's crucial to be aware of these potential interactions and to use spices mindfully and responsibly as natural remedies. By embracing the power of spices as natural remedies for common ailments, we can tap into the healing properties of these aromatic wonders and support our health holistically and gently. This holistic perspective recognizes that true wellness goes beyond just physical health and encompasses the emotional, mental, and spiritual aspects of our being. Spices have long been revered for their healing properties in traditional healing systems such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, which both emphasize a holistic approach to health. In Ayurveda, spices are used for their culinary flavor and medicinal properties to balance the body's doshas and promote health and longevity. Each spice is believed to have specific effects on the body and mind, helping to restore equilibrium and support overall well-being. Similarly, traditional Chinese medicine views spices as essential tools for maintaining the flow of qi, or vital energy, throughout the body. Spices like ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric harmonize the body's internal systems, support digestion, and strengthen the immune system. Rather than simply treating symptoms, holistic health practices address the underlying imbalances contributing to illness and disease. I encourage you to explore the world of spices and natural remedies to enhance your holistic health journey. Let's embark on this holistic health journey and discover the profound connection between spices, natural remedies, and overall wellness. It's clear that these aromatic wonders hold incredible potential for enhancing our health and well-being. From turmeric and ginger to cinnamon and beyond, spices offer a treasure trove of medicinal properties that can support our overall wellness in mind, body, and spirit. Throughout this video, we've delved into the myriad health benefits of spices, from their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to their ability to boost immunity, aid digestion, and reduce inflammation. By incorporating spices like turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon into our daily diet, we can harness their healing potential and experience a profound transformation in our health and vitality. I encourage you to experiment with natural remedies and holistic practices to discover the transformative power of spices in promoting your well-being. Whether you're looking to alleviate common ailments like headaches, indigestion, or colds, or enhance your overall health, spices offer a gentle and effective way to support your body's natural healing mechanisms. To continue your holistic health and wellness journey, I invite you to subscribe to our channel for more content on natural remedies, holistic practices, and the power of spice. By liking and sharing this video with your friends and family, you can help spread the message of holistic health and inspire others to embrace the healing potential of spices in their own lives. Together, let's cultivate a community of wellness seekers committed to nurturing their minds, bodies, and spirits with the gifts of nature. By incorporating spices and natural remedies into our daily routines and adopting a holistic approach to health, we can create a foundation for vibrant health, vitality, and harmony. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and I look forward to sharing more holistic health content with you in the future. Stay tuned for more tips, recipes, and inspiration to support your holistic well-being.